the Odinlake Ergonomic Office Chair. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Ergo PRO Chair 633 with footrest from Odinlake. I will go over specs, features, and give a brief demonstration with the chair. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Unboxing the chair, you'll have the following components: the seat plate, armrest, backrest, cylinder, casters, the hardware, user manual, and the base. The overall assembly took about 30 minutes, and I'm not going to go through the step by step as there's a good assembly video on their website. This chair features adjustable height, armrest, headrest, footrest, back and seat tilt, and seat depth. It has an easy pull footrest, mesh back seat and headrest, a comfortable breathable firm cushion, floor-friendly urethane wheels, 145-degree max recline, and supports up to 400 pounds. And here is a full view of the chair. On the bottom you'll find the following: the easy pull footrest, adjustable seat depth, seat height adjustment, adjustable rocking tension, and the tilt lock. Armrests are made of a soft PU leather and swivel side to side, and they can also adjust up and down. Looking at the headrest, you have the ability to tilt it and also adjust the height. The headrest and backrest have a mesh finish. Seat cushion is made of a high density sponge and is fairly soft, and the fabric is breathable. Here you can see the armrest swivel and adjust up and down. The backrest provides good lumbar support, and the seat height adjustment is easy to adjust. Unlocking the tilt is simple, and you can see how it tilts here. To adjust the headrest, just pull up for the height, and you can tilt the headrest to your desired position. Finally, this has an easy pull footrest. Just pull from the bottom front of the seat to extend. Overall, I found the chair to be very comfortable, and it has decent back support. I like the headrest along with the footrest. Tilt angle is plentiful, and the seat cushion is not too firm. Assembly was quick and easy, and the overall material used is decent. This can definitely be used in an office setting or even for gaming. So that is a look at the Odinlake Ergo PRO Chair 633. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.